Hello and welcome. You're watching NewsX with me, Hina Sharma. Let's start the bulletin with some breaking news from the national capital. Latest news coming in from the capital city of Delhi. Delhi NCR is bracing for another spell of rain and thunderstorms today after heavy showers disrupted normal life across the region on 24th of August. The IMD has forecast light to moderate rains across many parts of Delhi with isolated heavy showers, thunderstorms and lightning likely from morning to noon. Rain is also expected the entire day. Rain and thunderstorms are also expected across Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad and Faridabad, keeping commuters on alert as the region faces yet another wet day. I have my colleague Arzu Seth, in fact, joining us to get us her ground coverage. Arzu, do tell us the situation at different parts in Delhi. All right, we'll try.
Well, yes, since morning Delhi has witnessed heavy rainfall. In fact, right now I'm present at ITO, one of the busiest road of national capital, and would like to show you the current situation and also tell you about the current weather, which is right now in the national capital. As you can see, there are cloudy weathers, but at the same time, there is a sunlight that has come. So the sun is shining right now. But yes, apart from that, as you can see, as there were a heavy rainfall since morning, and after 2 or 3 hours of rain, this is the condition of the national capital. The entire stretch of road is waterlogged, the drains are blocked, and in fact, after a lot of claims, but this is the reality that have come forward in the national capital after the heavy rainfall. In fact, you can see in front there is a pumping out machine that has been deployed to pump out the water from the waterlogged areas, and not only ITO, but the posh area, one of the heart of Delhi, CP Connaught Place is also witnessing waterlogging. The Sadar Bazaar, which is one of the world famous market, Asian largest market, is also witnessing the waterlogging in the area. The shopkeepers are in fact very much in a problem because of such situation. And look at the visuals from the ITO, which is currently waterlogged. The entire road is waterlogged. And in fact, the students, there is a nearby school. The students are passing through this road. The buses are passing. In fact, the office going. People are telling us that what problem are they facing right now because they are getting late for their offices. So these are the visuals. As you can see, on the one side, as you are witnessing, the sun is shining. On the other side, you can see there is a cloudy weather that can be witnessed. And in fact, it is also, the downpour continues. It's still raining in the national capital. And these are the visuals which are currently we are showing you from the national capital.
Absolutely, Arzu, stay with us. We have more breaking news to cover. Now, viewers, the latest spell of rains have raised